National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for bays and waterways from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas, coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles, waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles southwest of East Breaks 228 to 39 nautical miles east of Malaquite Beach to near Riviera Beach, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Flower Bluff and Malaquite Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River out 20 nautical miles, Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, Laguna Madre from the Port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado, waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 33 nautical miles south of East Breaks 228 to 47 nautical miles northeast of Laguna Madre to 21 nautical miles south of Riviera Beach, moving south at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Mansfield, South Padre Island, Laguna Madre, Queen Isabella Causeway, Port Isabel and Laguna Vista. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.